For me, it's always a pleasure when I get the call with a request to come to Estonia, because I really like to share my vision, my passion, my method with the Estonian players.
Spring in Pärnu is always for us exciting. This has been almost close to 12 years now coming to Pärnu. When we started 12 years ago, this was a very, very unique adventure, and now we've become part of the Estonian family.
Every time when I'm coming here, I try to pick a topic what can be at the tennis of the children. And when I look at the players, Estonian players, I always feel that I can add their physical situation. So that's why I brought in Rob, the physical coach, 4 years ago, to add things near the court. And I take care of things physically on court. So that means in exercises how to move.
What I like to do in this session, I like to teach them some different things. First, I would like them to work hard, because that's the only way at the end you get results. Okay, so on court there is a certain work ethic which I try to teach them. Okay, and there is a lot of challenge. I try to challenge kids. When I can challenge kids, they will improve, and then they will work hard. Okay, so that are the things which is very important.
You know, one of the things, I've had the opportunity of traveling the world, working with many different players. I've always found that there's a lot of passion in Estonian players, the talent here in Estonia. You know, it's always, every year when we leave here, it's a sad moment. We're always looking forward to it. But again, Tiina Post is the one who always is a pillar for us to bring us to Estonia. And we always look at her and say, are we invited? And she always sends us back home with a smile. So that means we're hopefully back again 2015.
I'm open, we are open, my team is open. And hopefully we can see each other next year.